We use some of our leftover treated material to create almost a little pallet, and this can be positioned right in the corner, perfect place for larger bags of mulch or fertilizer so that they're not touching directly on the concrete itself. Now, we're pretty much finished with this part of the garage, but just one more thing to make it a little more convenient, some additional shelving right along these lines. Now, we'll use the same material that we have here, 16-inch wide shelf board, but this time we'll be notching it into the stud so that it goes all the way in and backs up to the siding. First, we cut a piece of shelving to length, then mark it in place to notch out for all of the studs. The same plywood brackets we've used throughout the garage work here too for great support and easy installation. Boy, this should work out perfect for the gardener of the house. Now, here's a few other things that we've done over the last hour or so to utilize this space in the garage. You know, the coated hooks I used for the lawn and garden tools earlier, they work great for getting the extension cords up out of the way. Also, the space that you have in the wall, perfect place for storing brooms, but to keep that from falling out, you can create a little keeper here with a 1x4 and a pivot screw that'll tuck down, and this is good for maybe any type of molding that you may want to store in here, or maybe some pipe. Works perfect. Another way that you can utilize that space, 1x4 scrap and a little bit of lattice molding there, makes a great little shelf section for all these miscellaneous cans that you may have around the shop. And even spaces like this, like I have the nails, you can put all the nails you want in there. Then for the larger nails, we've left off the lattice strip, and you can put all the big boxes of nails in there and even quart cans of paint.